Hello everybody, welcome to my channel SBFTAXIDERMY. This video is rated PG. Here is the restoration work completed. Straighten up the ear tips, epoxy the eyes. We did the nose, lip, lower lip. Reposition the eyelashes to a 45-degree. Before it was pointing straight up. Added some nose detail that wasn't there before. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and yep, restoration work. I did not mount this blacktail deer, mounted by another taxidermist. Well, at least he looks a little presentable. Hunter should be happy. Putting him back on the wall. Alright guys, here we go. Restoration work, December 2020. Completed by SBFTAXIDERMY. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.